Yeah, friends, today we will discuss about the CLAT question paper 2021 recent completed last week. We know that these given questions are here. Read the data, what is given first, then analyze that simplification, then afterwards we have to solve the given questions. See that here is the given, two companies are given. Polaris and Contingent, these companies are given, then according to the year, the profit of that companies according to year wise is given 2007 to 2011 and 2012 up to 2007 to 2012. So, what is the given data? We have to tabulate first immediately. Two companies is given, Polaris and Contingent, two companies, and 2007 onwards the profit percentage is given then. And the first 2007 and 2008 both companies is given the 30%. This is the Polaris, company 1. So what is that? 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011 and 2012. These are the years. So how many years? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 years. Company, this is an first company, and second company we will make it that. This is second company. First company profit, what is that? Polaris and earned 30% profit in the year 2007 and 2008. So this is a 30%, as well as in the next year also the same. Next, 40% in the 2009. 40% in 2009. And the next one is given, and the percentage decreased to 20%. The next year is 20%. The next, in the 2010, that is given the 20%. 35% in 2008. In which company? Then second company. Yes, this is second company. 40% in the 2007. This is the 40%, and 35% is the next year 2008. And the next, what is given? 30% in 2009. 30% in 2009. Next, both the companies increased their profit percentage the last year considerably. That Polaris increased 35%. This is a company 1, 35%. And 2015, what is that? 2011, that is. And 2012, what is that percentage? 50% in the 2012. So this is again Polaris over. Now Contingent, the profit is 45% in the 2010, 45%, and 50% in 2011, and what is that next? 60% in the 2012. Now we got the data exactly that. After analyzing the data, we have to check that answers. What is that? What is the increase in profit? See, the company 2 is a Contingent company, percentage from the 2011 to 2012. What is the 2011 to 12? These two. What is the difference? How much percentage is increased? 10% is increased by 20 into 100. 21's 20. How much? 5. Sorry, by 50, sorry. Because of difference is 10 and the base is 50. 51's, 52's. So 20%.
Yes, sir.
So option B is the correct answer. Is it clear?
Yes. Clear, sir.
Yes. Now you remember that. What is the next question? We'll go for the next question. Please remember that. Note it down. 30, 30, 40, 20, 35 and 50. Please note it down.
Yes, sir.
And 40, 35, 30, 45, 50 and 60. Please note it down. We have checked that next problem. Thirty, 30, 40, 20, 35 and 50, 2007 to 2012, 40, 35, 30, 45, 50 and 60. Otherwise, we'll go for the next.
Okay, sir.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
Just a minute, sir.
Just this enough.
Yes, sir. That's
30, the numbers enough.
completed, sir.
Yeah. What is the next question? Sorry. Yes. What percentage of the profit making this company is? What is the company? Polaris company. Yes, Polaris company in 2011 and 2012. This is a company 1 in the 2 years. What is the profit percentage in the 2 years? What is that Polaris company? Company 1 in 2011 and 2012?
35 and 50, sir, for Polaris company.
How much?
35% in 2011 and
35 plus
50, sir.
50.
85%.
85% is that? 85. The next second company, what is that? Contingent company 2007 and 8. 2007 and 8. 2007 and 8. How much?
40% plus 35%.
40 plus 35. Total
17%.
75. So Polaris companies, what is that? 85 huh? 85 by 75
200.
into 100. 25 threes, 25 fours, then 8 fours 32, 320, 8 5 is 20. It is, you can observe that it is more than 4 8s. See here, 4 ones will get that, more than 3 ones, 1.5. So, what is that?
2.3%, sir.
113.3%. 113.3%. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
After calculation, 8, 4 8 32, 320, 4 5 20. So, 340 na? By 3 ones, 3 ones, 3 threes, 9.33. So, 113.3%. Is it clear the problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Good. You go for the next.
Yes, sir.
What is that? If the company, contingent company in 2008 was 200 crores, the income is given. The income of the company is given in 2008 was 200 crores is given. What is the profit in 2009?
Cannot,
See here, income of the 2008 is given. Then how we can say that what is the profit percentage? We don't know that.
yes.
Income we don't know. Directly we can go for that. What is that answer?
Cannot be written.
So cannot be determined. Yes?
We can calculate if we give stock income, sir.
Yes. But 2008 is income is given, but 2009 income we don't know. But 2009 profit percentage we know that.
Yes.
Without income we cannot find out the profit, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So the data cannot be determined. Next. What is the difference between the company with the highest annual averages? Yeah. Highest annual average and lowest annual average of the both companies. Then first, what is that company? P company. Total how much? Polaris 30,
Plus 40.
40 and 20, 35, 50 na? 1, 2, 3, 4, 35 after? Tell
So
me the answer.
plus 30.
30 plus 40 plus 20
Yes, 35 plus 50.
plus 50. This
Yeah.
much. 30 plus 30, sorry. Yes. What is that answer? 5. I think 205. Company P is 205.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is that contingent company?
40,
30 plus
40 plus?
35,
35
Yeah.
30
plus 30
Yes.
plus
plus
45,
45
Yeah.
50 and
plus
60.
50
And 60.
and 60, sir.
Yes. 5 plus 5, 10.
260.
260. Which is the highest? 260 is the highest. The difference we have to find out. The difference. 260 minus 205. What is that? Average also is given. Average means by number of years. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 years is given. So what is the answer? Here what is that?
55.
55 by 6. 6 nines.
D3, sir.
So what is the answer?
9.17, sir.
6 nines 54.
Yes, sir.
So what is the answer? We can say directly that answer C is the answer. No need to calculate, directly we can say that.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Is it clear for everyone?
Yeah, sir.
Yes.
Clear, sir.
Yes, good. We go for the next. What is given? What is the percentage increase profit Polaris company from the 2010 to 2011? Already we noted that data. What is the data?
So in 2010 it was 20%, sir.
Yes, it was 20% and 2011 is
35%.
35%. What is the increase in percentage?
15, sir.
15 by 20 into 100. 21's 5, 75%. So 75. So option B is the answer according to this. Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
We'll go for the next passage.
Okay, sir.
Other people's.
Yeah, sir.
Is it clear for all the first 5 problems?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. So next here, the data is given, see that? Given data is given. No need to read all that step by steps. What is the given main points? You identify that. What is the main point? The problem is discussed about that population. The main is population. The population of that is given that 30% of the population between the ages is given 30%. 30%, remember that? Age groups.
Age groups, 0 to 15.
Yeah. 0 to 15. 30% is given. Next, 17.75. Between the ages, what is that? 16 to 25. So 16 to 25 is, what is that? 17.75. Okay, next. And 17.25. What are the age groups? 26 to 35 is 17.7. 17.25. Can we use that Evo? Yeah. What is that? Yeah. What is that? 15 to 0 to 15. Why? 30%. The next 60 into 25, how much?
17.75.
17.75. And 26 to
17.25.
35. 17.25. Then next
14.
here that 36 to 45 is 14.50. So 36 to 45, how much? 14.5. The next, what is that?
46 to
46 to
55.
46 to 55, how much? 14.25.
150.
46 to
14.25.
46 to 55, that is 14.25. The next 56 to 65, how much? 5.12. And 66 and above, how much? 1.32. Sorry, 1.13. 1.13. This is the given data. 0 to 15 years, 30% of the population is given. Means children all given. Then adolescents 16 to 25 is given 17.75, and middle age 26 to 35 and 17.25, 36 to 45, 14.5% of the population. 46 to 55, 14.25, 56 to 65, 5.12, and 66 and above is 1.13%. This is the given data. According to that, what we have to find? So after writing the data, we will go for that. Below the age of 26 years. Okay. Out of every 5,600 persons, what is the number of persons below age of 26? Below age of 26. Below age of 26, how much? What is that below age of 26? Below age of 26, this is that below age of 26. 47.75. So 47.75. 47.75 percentage of 5,600. 5,600. Zeros cancel, zeros cancellation. Remember that how to do the calculations. Here 47 nothing but 50 you take. Now approximately 50. 55 is 15 feet, 2,500. More than 2,500, where is the answer? So 56 times. 56 times, not 50 times. So 56 into 48 you can take, otherwise 50% approximately take more than 2,500. More than 2,500 means here 2 answers is given, then 6 also there. So we can go for 2674 is the correct answer. We can calculate. 6, 5, 30, then we can calculate. Calculate and tell me that what is the correct answer. I think 2674.
Yes, sir, it's 2674.
Yeah, 2674. Okay, now? Yes, how to calculate? What is that below 26 years? What is the percentage? 47.75% total is given. Out of 5,600, what is the population? Means 2,674 is the above 26 years. You go for the next. Here, there are 400 million people below 36. What is that below 36? Below 36 is here up to here. This we have to calculate. Below 36. 34, 35, 65% is there. Below 36 years. Below 36 years. Below 36, how much? 65% is given. So then The people who are in that age 55, 56 to 65, how much? No, 65% is given that 65% of x is equal to 400 millions is given. Then we want how much, what is the percentage of that 56 to 35? 56 to 65, what is that?
5.1.
5.12 x is equal to how much?
Is equal to how much?
So how much? That is 400
Into
by 65 into 5.12. Correct? So 512. This is 0 na? 512 into 4 by 65. So approximately how much you will get?
so maybe 32.72 or 31.50.
Don't say exactly. We can get that, I think. Means approximately don't say, because of it given numbers is given na different way. Please calculate and tell me. Twenty 48 by 65. What is the exactly approximate value or exact value we got it?
31, sir. 31.50.
31.50 exactly. Option C is correct answer. Got it? So 512 into 4 by 65. How multiply that? 512. 5.12 into 100 is there. So 512 by 65. We'll get. So 31.50. Here somewhat little bit calculation is more.
Yes.
Comparing other problems, it will take time, more time to calculate. Be careful about it, such problems. Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
Yeah. The next. Here, see that there are 20 million people in the age of 56 to 65. What is that 56 to 65 age population? What is that? 56 to 65 is 5.12, no?
2.12%, sir.
5.12%. What is the difference between that 16 to 25 and 46 to 55? What is that 16 to 25? How much percentage is there? 17 point? Tell me that.
Sir,
What is that 16 to 25?
72.25.
17.75%.
17.75. Then 46 to 55?
14.25.
14.2.
14.25. So what we get? So 3.5% is equal to how much? Here 5.12. 5.12 is equal to then 20 million. Then 3.5 is equal to how much? Simple. 20 into 3.5 by 5.12. Calculation how to take? 20 into 35 into 100 by 512 into 10, because 3.5 can be written as 35 by 10. 5.12 means 100 by 5.12. Calculation. 10 ones, 10 tens. Here, what is that value? Approximately values. 35 to 70. 7,000 by 512. How much time? That answers we see given that.
So it's around 12 and 13, sir.
12 and 13.
Yes.
It is more than 13 point, some answer will get. 13.21, 13.3 we get.
Yes, sir.
13.3.
Yes, sir.
So, what is the answer according to given answer? A is wrong answer, B is wrong answer, C is wrong answer, D also wrong answer. So, this question is dropped. So everyone will get that marks according to that problem. Otherwise,
Marks, sir.
the question mark is deleted. The question is deleted. Okay? So there is no answer, exact answer. The next. If the difference between the number of people 46 to 55 and 46 to 55, how much? What is that? What is the percent?
14.25%.
14.25 and 26 to 35, what is that?
17.25%.
17 point. What is the difference between these two? 3%. 3x is equal to 15.75. The difference between the people ages 46 to 55 and 26 to 35. The difference is 17.25 minus 14.25, 3% will get. If 3% is equal to 15.75, then what is the approximate that population? What is the total population? 100% we have to find out, na?
100 is for how much?
Yes, 100 is equal to how much? 15.75 by 3 into 100. So 1575 by 3, na?
So, yes, sir.
What is the answer?
Exactly 525, sir.
By 3.
Yes, sir.
3 5 is 15. 3 2 is 6, 3 5 is 15. So 525 is the answer. Very simple question is given that. Very simple.
Yes, sir.
The difference is given. We want the total population. So 3x is equal to how much? Then given that, then 100% is equal. We'll get answer. So option D is the correct answer. It's okay? Is it clear? Everyone?
Clear, sir.
Yeah. The next. Which age group accounts for the maximum population in the state?
20 to 35.
None of the above, sir.
Why? We have to take the none of the above?
So, 0 to age group between 0 to 15,
Yes.
which is the maximum.
0 to 15 is given 30%.
And it's the maximum, sir.
This is the maximum. Second maximum is 17.75. Correct?
Yes.
16 to 25. Correct, na? So that is a maximum. What is that percentage of the children? Is the more percentage. 30% is given. So 0 to 15 is not there. So not there, not there. So what is the answer? None of the above is the correct answer. We can say within seconds we can say maximum population of that is 0 to 15 is. So that is not mentioned. So directly we can go for none of the above. Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
Yeah.
So, this question was the easiest, sir.
Yeah. This one easy. Last one.
Yes, sir. This within 5 minutes, sir.
15%.
I'm good in maths, so I did not touch that part.
See here. Some unnecessary point they will give to disturb you. So very the main point is given that we have to take. Pandemic period is given, then expenditure reduced, that expenses is taken. Here, see that? Because of COVID-19, how he is managing his income, how to save that. Each one will check that one, what is given, that what is required. So, last year 2019. so that he can plan his previous year, the 2020 spendings through brief analysis he found in the year 2019. So 2019 base చేసుకొని 2020 లో ఎలా ఎక్స్పెండ్ చేసుకొని ప్లాన్ చేసుకుంటున్నారు. What is the plan in 2019? 23% on food, expenses on food. Expenses on food. Expenses on food is equal to expenses on food. How much?
23%.
23%. Yeah. The next 23%. Here 15% on housing. 15% on housing. 15%. The next 12% child education. Education. 12% education. The next transport 10%. Transport 10%. The next clothing 10%. Cloth 10%. Then what is that? And also saved that. What is that? How much saved that? 15% saved that. Saving. 15% saving. The next, and remaining 20% expenditure and others. So 20% others is equal to 20%. Then add this total. 5 plus 3, 8 plus 2, 10, 105 we get.
105, sir. Yes.
So, is it possible if we will get that percentage mean 100% is only, not more than 100%. So, problem is exactly wrong problem. We can say that this is a wrong problem. We cannot do like that. But according to that,
Answers.
yes, we have to do that.
The same price.
Yes, yes, yes. So, according to see that, expenses on food is 23% is given. Housing is 15% is given. Education is 12% is given. And transport is 10%. Clothing also 10%. Saving also 15%. Then others is 20. Total 105. It is not possible to take that 105%. But we will see that how to do that problems. Yeah. If the total amount spent during the 2019 was 56,000, what was the spent amount on food and 2019, then 56,000 on the transport, and what was the amount spent on food? Total expenses is given then 56,000. What is that food? How much percentage is that food? 23%, I think, correct?
Yes.
23%. So 23% means by 100 into 56,000, 2 zeros, then 23 into 560. Here we can multiply that. 560 twice, how much? 56 20s.
112, sir.
112. 11200. Yes, next. And 3 times of that 560. 350s, 3500, 1500. 360s, 180. 8, sorry, 0, 8, 8, 2. 12,880. 12,880. Option B is the correct answer. Because he spends 2019 total expenses is 56,000 and food how much spent? 12,000 because of 23% is of total expenses. Is it clear, friends?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Next. Then what is that? Same, the total amount spent on 56,000 is given. Then clothing, spent on clothing, housing, clothing and housing. What is the clothing and housing? Clothing, how much? Here clothing 10% and housing is 15%.
25.
Then what is that total?
1/4.
25%. So 25%, no? 25%. 25 into 560 we can take directly because of zeros cancel now. Yes.
Yeah.
Before what is that? 12,880. Answer na? And that is at 23 times. Now we have to take that more than 2 times. How much? 1, 1, 2. 10, 8, 9, 10, 2, 3, 4. So 14,000. Already we calculated now?
Yes, sir.
So 23 times we calculated. 23 times is equal to how much? 12,880. 2 times we have to calculate on that 560. 560 into 2 how much? 1120. So after adding we get 14,000 is the total spent on clothing and housing. Together expenses was 14,000. Is it clear, friends?
Clear, sir.
Yeah. Yes. What is that? Ratio is given then here. Still they did not ask any ratio, but now they ask that what was the ratio amount money spent on housing and as an education. What is housing?
15%.
15% is that housing
12%.
and education is 12%. So 3 5s, 3 4s. So 5:4. Option D is the correct answer. Option D is the correct answer. Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
Yes. 149, the lost. If the total expenditure of the family was 2019, 56,000 same as this is given, 56,000. Then, what was the amount saved by the family during the year? ఇంతవరకు ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్ చేసాము వాట్ సేవింగ్ అడుగుతున్నాడు
15%, sir.
15%.
Yes, sir. 15%.
15%. How much is the 15%?
So 10% is 5,600. 5% is 2,800. So 8,400. sir.
8,400.
400. Yes, sir.
15 into 560. Correct? 15% into 5,006 zeros. Then 15,575. 15,575. 2 zeros. 15,6. 800 na? 8,400.
Yes, sir.
90 కదా? So multiplication 15% is of 5,600 is equal to 8,400. How to calculate 15 5s 75, 2 zeros, 15 60s, how much? 900. So answer 8,400. Easy calculation, how to take that. So option A is the correct answer. The next, last. The total amount spent during the year, same as is given 56,000. Yes, here's the same answer. Spent on other spending and clothing together was higher than spending on clothing. Spent on other spending. Others how much? Others is equal to how much? 20. And clothing is equal to
20,000.
how much? 15?
10, sir.
10, sir.
10%. Total
20%, sir.
30%.
Yes, sir.
So, which one is that was higher than? According to these options, 4 options is given. A 30% is more than housing and clothing, or housing and child education, food and transport, and then food and housing and saving is given. Housing and education, how much? Housing and how much? Housing.
Savings, sir. Savings, sir.
15, sir.
Housing how much? 15 plus education how much? 12. Total
27.
27.
This is the answer, sir.
Okay, food and transport how much?
23% plus
23 plus transport 10. Total
3%.
33%. Next, food and housing
23% plus
23 plus housing how much? 15. So 38.
3.
The next, housing and saving how much?
15% plus 15%.
15. 30. So 27, see, this is 30% we got it because of both are spending on others, and this one we got it then 30%. 30% is not more than 30%. 30% is not more than 38%. 30% not that more than 33%, but 30% is more than 27%. So which is the option? Option A is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. So I felt, I think, easy only, somewhat little bit 1 or 2 problems given, that more complicated, not complicated, somewhat lengthy calculation part is given.
Yes, sir.
Rest are easy problems. So this is, I think, final key also, they will give that final key answer also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you friends. Just wait, so I will take.
Thank you, sir.